Have you ever wondered what it's like when nature unleashes its full fury? The Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, did just that, becoming one of the most devastating storms in American history. Starting on March 11, 1888, the storm paralyzed the Northeast for 3 days, dumping up to 50 inches of snow and producing hurricane-force winds. Cities like New York and Boston were brought to a standstill. Infrastructure crumbled, and over 400 lives were lost. The catastrophe highlighted the need for underground utilities and better weather forecasting, forever changing urban planning. This wasn't just a storm, it was a wake-up call.